Hello there and welcome to a product spotlight video. This product spotlight video is going to focus on the Mixed Media Florals Suite collection that was just released January 7th. You can find this free downloadable PDF file of all of the online exclusive products that Stampin' Up! Released on January 7th on my blog at barbstamps.com/shop, and just kind of scroll through. I have a lot of free downloads on there. This should be one of the first things in that area. All right, so the suite contains the Mixed Florals Photopolymer Bundle. This is a stamp set and a set of dies. The Mixed Labels, this is a rubber mount stamp set. This is also a stamp set and a set of dies. We have this really fun plaster painting folder. I'll go into a little more detail about that in a second. We've got the low profile dots, and they are very low profile. We also have the beautiful Mixed Media Florals 12x12 Designer Series paper. This is cut to 6x12 just so I could fit it all into my frame. But you can see that we have some lovely patterns here. We've got some beautiful floral patterns here, as you can see, along with some digital art. We've got this lovely black and white piece that you can color yourself. And then here are the back sides. We've got some really nice neutral patterns, and then another splash of color along with a really bold black and white. The coordinating colors for this Designer Series paper are Basic Black, Boho Blue, Calypso Coral, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, Granny Apple Green, Mossy Meadow, Petal Pink, Poppy Parade, and finally Shy Shamrock. So all of these beautiful Stampin' Up! Colors are in the paper on one piece or another. So that is a great collection of colors to help you just have so much fun with this. The low profile dots, like I said, are very low profile. They add a touch of gold and a kiss of pink, and you get 140 dots on the sheet. And like I said, you can barely even see the bump on these things. They are so flat. Check that out. That is so cool. So that's fantastic. The suite also includes the plaster painting 3D embossing folder. Now, all of these items can be purchased separately as well as within the whole suite collection. So this is one of our larger folders. This is a 6 by 8.5 inch folder. It is a 3D folder, which means it's going to give you some really awesome depth and dimension. So you can see what we have here. So that's like the main part of the folder. This little edge right here kind of gives you this look right here. I hope the camera's picking that up. That's a pretty interesting edge, if you like that. It's got what they would call a raised brush stroke texture, and it is very, very textured. You can totally feel and see the depth and dimension of this really amazing folder. All right, let's move on. Next, we have the Mixed Labels stamp set and die set. Now, this is also sold as a bundle, and if you do purchase these two as a bundle, you will get a 10% discount. So the labels have lots of different sentiments for everyday messages of love and support and celebration, and you're going to be reaching for this set all year long. Now, the labels in this set, there are 7 of them. Kind of shake them all out here. Whoops, we missed one. All right, and I have those here. So you can see we've got this wonderful banner that you can also stamp and die cut that. We have 3 labels that have kind of like stitching around the edges. I don't know if I'd call it stitching, but it is a really pretty cool design. This smaller one here, and then this fun little guy here. And these can be layered. You could layer these together if you wanted to act like you have a circle behind that. You can layer this one on this one. This is a smaller label that doesn't have any stitching, but is really interesting as well. Then we have this little sprig, and then we have this fun piece of texture. And I do have some sample cards that I'm going to be sharing with you in just a moment that has kind of all of these different dies on them, so you can kind of see them in action. Moving on to our Mixed Florals bundle. Again, this can be purchased as a bundle to save 10%, or you can purchase the dies or the stamp set separately. beautiful line art images allow you to color them in if you desire with watercolors, alcohol markers, watercolor pencils, whatever your heart desires, whatever your favorite color medium is. You can pair these great garden images with the sweet sentiments in the mixed labels set and make some fantastic cards. You can even leave these blank and let your recipient color them. So you could include some watercolor pencils and then your recipient could color their own card. How fun would that be? All right, now I wanted to bring in some card samples to share with you what all of these fantastic dies and the stamps look like. All right, let's start with this beautiful card here. I have used both of the very large floral images out of this stamp set, and I colored them both in, and then I die cut them, and then I layered them together on this beautiful card here. You can see I also added a couple of those tiny little ladybug dies. Now I have those over here. You do get 6 of those dies. There are 2 of each style of ladybug. And then as you can see, there is a large die to cut out both of these very large floral images. And then I also used that tiny little label die here with one of the sentiments out of the stamp set. This card here, this uses what I think are cone flowers, this beautiful stamp here along with the dies. And then I also added this little goodie right down here in the corner, along with the little leaf sprig right down there, just to kind of fill in that bottom area. I did go ahead and use this label right here with one of the sentiments in the mixed labels stamp set. And I die cut it twice, once out of white and then once out of Flirty Flamingo, just to kind of give a little bit of interest on the edge there. So you can always do that with your label dies. The background is one of our linked together masks, which is really fun. And then you can see I've got some low profile dots here. Now my next card uses some of that gorgeous Designer Series paper from the Mixed Media Florals Designer Series paper pack. And now you can see I did stamp the cone flowers. I stamped them in black, but instead of coloring the flowers, I colored in all the space around the flowers. And I did use a light boho blue marker. I thought that was a pretty neat effect. Super simple, didn't take much time at all. I've got one of those cute little ladybugs, one of the little pink low profile dots, and then another sentiment out of the stamp set. Just another way to use those large images. All right, this next card, I've got that plaster painting folder in the background. Again, a little piece of that Designer Series paper. This is a circle, 2 3/8 inch. I colored it with some of my Stampin' Blends markers. This is what the paper looked like before I colored it. And then you can see I just cropped out a circle and then I just added some Summer Splash, Fresh Freesia, Daffodil Delight, and some Lemon Lime Twist. Layered that on another circle, added this little leafy sprig here. Of course, there is a die for that also. We've got the label again right there. And then you can see I got that little scritchy, scratchy texture element right below my label. Got some low profile dots and then a little bit of that Fresh Freesia ribbon from Celebration. My final card uses the plaster painting folder once again. You can see I've die cut the large banner. I stamped it in boho blue on boho blue cardstock, die cut it out, added a little tiny sentiment from the stamp set, did the cone flower images again, and colored them in. Super simple card, a little bit of white there to accent the little flower. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is such a fun, fantastic set of products. And I hope you will give them a chance in your arsenal. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. You can find all of these products in my online store at shoppingwithbarb.com. And again, don't forget that I have the free PDF download on my blog, barbstance.com/SHOP shop. You'll find this free download there. And I would appreciate your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day.